Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to set the button shortcut or set up the button shortcut on this watch. First thing we need to do is to press and hold the middle button to open the settings. Once the settings open, scroll down and select the option called Customize by tapping on it. Here, find the option called Tap Shortcut and tap on it. And right here we can assign the function to a shortcut. So for example, let's say I want to turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode by using the shortcut. So I'm gonna select Do Not Disturb mode. And now I can basically press and hold the upper button to enable the Do Not Disturb mode and to disable it as well, like this. Okay, and that's how you set up the button shortcut on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.